Review. Warning, try not to let your jaw hit the floor too hard after seeing this one-of-a-kind robot in action. Revealed, new AI web app transforms any text into a traffic-pulling image, photo or art for any niche in under 5 seconds. So you can get more traffic, more engagement and make more profit by creating the perfect attention-grabbing graphics to match your message even if you have zero artistic skills or experience. Done for you graphics for all your business needs for any niche or purpose. Get more traffic, more engagement, more views and more profit by stunning your audience with unique, photorealistic images, Picasso-level art, or premium-level stock photos without needing any graphical or artistic experience. Never pay the outrageous fees the stock footage sites charge ever again. Real artificially intelligent system that only needs 5 seconds to turn any text into a high-quality image, photo, or art that you own 100%. First of its kind, real AI text-to-image platform to Zoo. We guarantee you will not be able to tell your graphics were created by artificial intelligence. Truly unique, one-of-one image creation every time, guaranteed, without having to wait weeks for a designer. Huge limited time bonus, agency rights to be able to use our platform to create high-quality graphics for your clients as well. Secure your 73% discount and exclusive bonuses today. Grab instant access to Graiphics today. Powered by Zoo. Huge 73% discount, limited time bonuses minus 30-day guarantee. We've made it possible for anyone to use real artificial intelligence to transform your ideas and words into any style of high-quality image by following 4 simple steps. Step #1. Log in to our web-based platform. This is the easiest step of them all. Just find your login details directly in your email inbox or on your Zoo receipt, and log in instantly. Step #2. Write your prompt from scratch or use one of our preset options. This is where you start to see the real artificial intelligence in action. This is where you can write out any thoughts or ideas you have of what the perfect image looks like for any message you're wanting to convey. All you simply have to do is describe the image that you see in your mind with as much or as little detail as you'd like. We also provide you with several preset options to choose from to help point you in the right direction. Step #3. Select your styling options so our AI can create you the perfect image exactly as you see it in your head. This is where things really start to heat up. Our AI engine is so versatile that it can truly create the perfect image, photo or art for you exactly as you see it in your head. Seriously! Plus, once you supply your prompt, you'll also have a ton of customization options to ensure our AI creates exactly what you want. You'll be able to choose what style of graphic you want, the tone of the graphic, the look that you're going for, and much more. Step #4. Hit generate and watch real AI get to work for you, right before your eyes. This is where you get to sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Within seconds you'll start to see our real AI create you images that match exactly what you described and the styling options you selected in the previous steps. Our AI will also simultaneously create multiple variations so you can choose the one that fits best for you. You can prepare to be totally amazed as you see something that you've never seen before. We've created the first and only AI web app that creates any kind of image, photo or art for you in a matter of seconds. To introduce you to Graiphics. Let me show you just how easy it is to have Graiphics create premium quality images for you. Shocking, right? In fact, let me prove it to you even further. Check out some of the amazing images Graiphics created for us minus 100% automatically. Headshot style stock images? Check. Vector style images? Check. Corporate Memphis illustration images? Check. Mouth-watering food images for a restaurant? Check. Pet portraits that pet lovers go crazy for? Check. Jaw-dropping traveling photos that wow people? Check. Pictures that look like real photos? Check. Art that looks like a real high-end artist painted it? Check. In need of any other kind of image, photograph or art? Check. And yes, 100% of the images above were fully created by our Graiphics artificial intelligence. I know, it's a bit scary, right? If you can describe it in text form, our AI can turn into a visual reality for you as if you were a professional artist yourself. Graiphics will be your own personal visuals butler that will get you more traffic, more sales and more profit by leveraging one of the most powerful strategies ever, image marketing. Get you more engagement by giving the social giants exactly what it wants: constant, quality content that goes viral by reaching people emotionally. Allow you to never have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars to have a professional create images manually for you. Provide more value to your target audience in one of the formats they love the most and convert more visitors into subscribers. Create unique, premium quality images for you for any niche, any business, any product, any service or any purpose. And much, much more. Talk about awesome, right? We've created the first and best artificially intelligent text-to-image platform to ever hit Zoo. This is real artificial intelligence combined with the power of high-quality graphics marketing. I can guarantee you that there's no other software like Graiphics on the Zoo marketplace. We are levels above all other stock image platforms. We are levels above all other graphics design platforms. We are levels above all other photo editing software. In fact, it's safe to say, we're in an entire league of our own. Now some of you may be wondering, Josh, all of this looks amazing, but how will Graiphics make me money? If you haven't already realized the true power of what you're witnessing here today, let's jump into this for a few minutes. As I mentioned previously, leveraging the right images with the right message to the right audience is one of the most powerful ways for businesses to get more traffic, instantly build trust, skyrocket profit and build brands online.